Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair this Harman Kardon Omni 20 Plus speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you have to power on your speaker with this cable. Put it to the power supply, of course, this second end, and there we can find the reset button. As you can see, it's right here. We have to right now click and hold this button. Let's do this right now. And take a look on this indicator. We have to wait until this circle turns to the LED, to the solid light like that, and hold this reset button until this LED circle disappear. There we go. Right now we can release. It's set up to the pairing mode. Right now it will start blinking, and so we can simply go to the settings on your iPhone, go to the Bluetooth, of course, turn it on with this switcher, and now just wait until this speaker pops on other devices list. You can also simply quick restart Bluetooth if you don't have it. There we go. So click on it once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.